Hi, I'm board certified elder law attorney Jason Neufeld, and in this video we're going to be discussing what are the essential documents to have in place before applying for Medicaid. And it's a great question. The reality is the essential documents are going to vary depending on the individual, right? There is no one size fits all set of documents are going to be good for every client. What's good for you might be not applicable to somebody else. It depends on what we're protecting. It depends on if income is too high, if assets are too high. What I can tell you is every Medicaid planning document has a pro and a con. I don't have any magic wand solution. And so typically we're using we're stacking strategies on top of each other that will involve different documents that are going to maximize the benefits and minimize the drawbacks. But what I can tell you, there is one document that I think is the most important of all the documents, and it's sometimes glossed over, and that is a well-drafted, Medicaid-compliant, durable power of attorney. Because a lot of people will download these free forms online or go to LegalZoom or pay $50 for some online purveyor of legal documents without going to a lawyer, or sometimes we see people going to a lawyer who doesn't do elder law or is not a very advanced estate planning attorney. And the document they're going to get is going to be very basic, and it may give our clients, or people who eventually become our clients, a false sense of security. These documents that were done before they ever got to a board certified elder law attorney. And the reason is nearly all the powers of attorney that I see are going to be fine for things like banking. But what happens is when someone comes to us and need real advanced Medicaid planning, meaning we get to use advanced tools, not just basic, we're not just moving money from one account to another account, then we see a lot of these durable powers of attorneys lacking, which is why I call the powers of attorney that we do and what board certified elder law attorneys provide are Medicaid compliant durable power of attorneys. Because even if you don't need Medicaid now, and you want to make sure you plan for the future, we want to make sure that if you ever lose your mind, if your loved one ever loses their mind, that they have empowered whoever they want to empower to be able to come to us or an attorney like us who is able to then say, okay, terrific, you have the world of Medicaid planning options available to you. Let's talk about how we can best protect your loved one. Whereas if you have a deficient durable power of attorney, we may not be able to do anything, or we may be limited. We go, okay, your power of attorney can let us do A and B, but it won't let us do C. And isn't that unfortunate? Because if we had C available to us, we could minimize those drawbacks I was telling you about earlier. So a well-drafted, Medicaid compliant, durable power of attorney is, in my opinion, by far the most important document my client can have, whether they need Medicaid now or whether they may not need Medicaid for years to come. Hope that helps answer the question. And again, everyone's case is going to be a little bit different. And thank you very much for watching.